What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are all doing great today. Yeah, I finished up work not too long ago. I'm about to go over to some Muay Thai. They're finally relaxing a little bit on the lockdown, so like gyms are finally opening up slowly. Yeah, so I'm kind of glad here in Canada that like things are slowly coming back together. Today's a bright sunny day. I'm super excited. I'm so excited even more about the project that I got going on. For the longest time for this channel, I really wanted to tailor around the premise of like helping more Canadians, helping more millennials like myself, and especially more Asian men as well too. Like I really want to build more, help more, and really grow upon there, right? And just kind of like sharing with you guys my journey, my passions. And so I just randomly stumbled on a video about this gentleman named Ryan. He's out of Calgary. That basically his goal was to start off $100 on a wealthsimple trading account, and then grow within a year to get about like maybe $30,000, and which is crazy. And I love that because I love that idea because you get to like live and breathe and go by example. I care a lot about that. To me, it's like not very genuine when you're kind of talking about stuff, but you never really walk the walk before when you're preaching all about these things. So I think it's super important to go ahead and do that. And I signed up for it. I signed up for like wealthsimple account. I'm just gonna wait for like the money to transfer, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about it. We're gonna talk about stock picks, grow this little account as well too in the exact same manner, throwing like change, a couple dollars here and there. I'm gonna save up, and then I'm gonna just reduce my spending, and then throwing like maybe $100, $200, and compound it. The goal is, I'm not even too sure what the goal is. Like at least like what I do know for sure is that Canadians on average barely save about $1,000 in their savings. That's what I know, that's for sure. And then a consumer debt's about average $30,000 in consumer debts. Like we're talking about credit cards, car payments, and all that such. Average. So thought to myself, how can I help people? How can I do this? Let's go do this. Start up a wealthsimple account. Want to get this started? It's gonna be exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm super stoked about this project because like I get to grow something that I've always wanted to do and build a little nest egg for myself and have people join along the process, get inspired, and do the same thing, right? So it's gonna be exciting to kind of get that started. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna get that. I'm just gonna wait for the money to transfer over. We're gonna talk a little bit about that, but I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go and do some Muay Thai. It's gonna be super fun because, like I said, it's back. I'm excited, ready to go. Rock it. See you guys later. So finally back. It's gonna be good. So excited. You have no idea. Sweaty. So just finished up that quick workout. It's about an hour, and I just feel so out of shape. It's not even funny. Definitely trying to work that back, get back in shape again. Super excited about that. No matter where you are, whatever you're doing, know that you can always just get up, pick back up, and continue on moving forward, one step at a time. You gotta start from somewhere again. Ground zero. It's not easy, it's not fun, but the thing is like, you're just gonna go and do it. Health is wealth lately, especially these times of the pandemic. Always try to keep that part up, right? So it's super important to go and see and just stay focused, right? Just one step at a time again. So we're gonna figure out this whole entire journey. We're gonna go move on. We're gonna go continue on. We're gonna keep doing it and then keep going. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I will share with you guys more of the information that I have with wealthsimple, stock picks, all these stuff. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna throw maybe a couple $100 here and there. Just gonna grow something, right? It doesn't hurt to grow it. So it's gonna be exciting to go and see that. I'm excited. And I want to go and like help people like build along with that journey as well too, because like if I'm growing it, right, it's always good. My goal, I don't know like the goal for that gentleman ride, it's gonna be like 30,000 for him by the end of the year. I'm thinking probably for me ballparking maybe 5, 4. Like I said, anything more than 1,000, but I'm gonna go and try to focus on that and try to see where we're at with that, okay? Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in a bit. Remember to subscribe, share, like, everything like that means a lot to me. You guys are awesome. Take care.